Tired of not being able to find the unblock button in Venmo? This video shows you exactly how to unblock someone on Venmo step by step, so you can start sending and receiving money again in minutes. Hi, I'm Anna from For Real, and let's solve this! If you've ever blocked someone, maybe by accident, or maybe things were a bit tense and now they're not, and then you've gone back into the app and thought, where on earth is the unblock option? You are definitely not alone. It can feel like the feature is completely hidden, leaving you unable to pay someone back for lunch or split a bill. It's frustrating, but it doesn't have to be. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to find that hidden setting and unblock any user on your iPhone or iPad. But first, let's quickly clarify what blocking someone on Venmo actually does. When you block a user, they can no longer find you in the app, send you money, or request money from you. It completely severs the connection. So, unblocking them is the only way to reestablish that link. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Navigate to your profile. First, open up the Venmo app. Once you're on the main feed, look at the bottom menu bar. You're going to tap on the Me icon, which is all the way on the right. It usually has your profile picture or initials. Step 2. Access your settings. This will take you to your personal profile page. Now look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon. That's your settings menu. Go ahead and tap on that gear. Step 3. Go into privacy settings. This is the crucial part that many people miss. In the settings menu, you'll see a list of preferences. You might be tempted to look under Account or Friends, but the block list is actually considered a privacy function. Scroll down a bit and tap on Privacy, which has a little padlock icon next to it. This is where your Venmo privacy settings are managed. Quick pause. If this is already helping you find that hidden setting, please give this video a quick like. It's a huge help for the channel and lets me know I'm making useful content for you. Okay, back to it. Step 4. Find your blocked users list. Inside the privacy menu, scroll down to the More section at the bottom. You'll see an option called Blocked Users. Tap on that. This will finally take you to the list of every Venmo user you've blocked. Step 5. Select the user. Now, just find the name of the person you want to unblock in this list and tap on their name. Step 6. Open the Unblock menu. You'll now be on a limited version of their profile page. To unblock them, tap the 3 dots icon, also known as an ellipsis, in the top right corner of the screen. Step 7. Tap Unblock User. A small menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen with the option Unblock User. Tap that to proceed. Step 8. Confirm the unblock. Venmo will ask you one last time if you're sure. A pop-up will appear explaining everything you and the other person will be able to do again. Pay each other, view profiles, and so on. To finalize it, tap the red Unblock User button and that's it. The user is immediately unblocked. Pro tip. After you unblock someone, they are not notified that you unblocked them. However, you will now appear in their searches, and they can find and interact with you as normal. Also, unblocking someone does not automatically add them as a friend again. If you remove them, you'll need to re-add them manually. This is a good way to manage Venmo contacts and keep your circle curated. And there you have it! You now know exactly how to find the privacy settings and unblock anyone in the Venmo app. No more being stuck and no more awkward IOUs. You can now manage your connections with confidence. If you found this tutorial useful and want more quick tech tips for the apps you use every day, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today, and let me know in the comments if there are any other Venmo features that confuse you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.